Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in CSIR 2020. So our question is, f from n to n is a bounded function. Which of the following statement is not true? Here not word is used. So here we have to consider the function which is bounded from natural number to natural number. So let the function f of n is equals to 1. Okay, this is belongs to natural number and this is what? Bounded function. Okay, so first option we discuss, limit supremum of fn belongs to n. Here the function is constant, so supremum is equals to infimum is equals to 1, which is unique, and this also belongs to natural number, so this option is false because it is not true. It is true option. This option is true. Now infimum is also belongs to this set. This option is also true, but here not true option is asked. Here if the supremum of fn plus n, here the supremum of n is 1, f of n plus n, which is equals to what? 1 plus n. And if we apply the limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus n, which is equals to infinity, and this does not belongs to natural number, so option this is also true, so this option is also incorrect, so option C is correct. So this is the question. Here we have to consider the function from natural number to natural number which is bounded and discard the option, and by discarding the option we get the correct option. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.